Your heating and air conditioning system will keep your home comfortable throughout the year, but there's a few things to remember in order to avoid wasted energy and unnecessary frustration. It's essential that your air return vent and air registers remain unblocked by draperies, furniture, or other objects in order to maintain good airflow throughout your house. Now, the air return is equipped with a filter to remove particles from the air, and this should be changed regularly in order to keep the air in your home clean. Check the manufacturer's recommendation as far as replacement and cleaning. Now, Aaron, can you tell us a little bit more about what we can do to our heating and air conditioning system to make them run more energy efficient?
Sure, John. Since the majority of the air used by your units is from within, it's very important to keep this filter clean. The manufacturer suggests that you clean or replace it at least once a month. Now, as you can see, this filter is really dirty. So to replace it, you simply remove the old filter.
Boy, that is dirty.
Yeah. And when you get your new filter, make sure this arrow is pointing up into the airflow, which is towards your unit. Just put your filter in. Close your grate. And that's it. Now there's also two things you need to remember. There is a primary and secondary condensate line. Now the primary line will always drip when your unit is on, but the secondary line will only drip when the primary is plugged up. When that happens, you're going to want to call a plumber. The second thing is the combustion air vent, which is important because it supplies fresh air for the furnace for proper combustion. Blocking this will cause the unit to draw air down the exhaust pipe and pull gases back into the attic.
Well, what should a homeowner do if they go to turn the system on for the first time in a year and they find it doesn't work?
Well, actually, you need to test your systems early. Your heater no later than September and your AC unit no later than May. And then your AC unit about once every 2 months just to keep it lubricated. Now, if your unit's not working, you're going to want to check your batteries and your thermostat. You should replace them about once a year also. If that's working, then check your breaker. If the breaker's okay, then you want to call Butler at 1-800-BUTLER.
It's also important to keep in mind that when you first turn your system on, it may emit an odor. Now, the odor may be strong enough to set off the smoke detector, but if you smell gas, call the gas company immediately for assistance.